होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, डाले हाथों में हाथ, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन। हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, हम चलेंगे हाथों में हाथ, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन। होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
हवाओं से कह दो जहां चाहे चले, हम पैरों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ाते हैं। And I'm sure the passion and the energy that each one of you have in your hearts will make you not just successful, but extremely satisfied in life in achieving what you want to achieve. Work hard, stay focused, and sky is the limit. So all the best to each one of you. Study hard, rise with excellence. I want to see you in the list of the global achievers. And I wish to see this institute rising with excellence. Thank you very much for this. Thank you.
The time as I'm seeing those students are standing, it's too hot. Thank you very much, ma'am, Greenwich Academy principal and the management for inviting us and giving an opportunity to share our what we are doing actually. Telangana Science Fair Academy is a volunteer non-profit organization which is working under Dr. Qazi Siraj Azhar. He is the chief patron, and also there are many doctors, engineers, professors from all national and international, I must say, associated with us. And we promote science fairs where students do scientific research from class 4th onwards till the graduates and all. And we conducted every year inter-school competitions for regional and state level students, where we are focusing the private organizations and government organizations irrespective of any medium. So, reason for coming to your school, earlier also I came here in 2017 to conduct a workshop for the teachers. I don't know how many teachers are still there. Yeah. So, you remember me. So, and school also participated in our competition, the regional science fair. This year also I am expecting many students participate, showcase their talent, innovative and creative research phase. I am saying research phase, not exhibitions, okay? Are you going to participate this year? Yes. Scientific research, following the scientific research? Yes. Thank you very much. As Ms. Tazeen said, कि फ्यूचर में तो ग्लोबल लेवल पे इस स्कूल से अचीवर्स होंगे, तो इंशाल्लाह मेरा भी या TSF है जिसको हम तेलंगाना साइंस फेयर एकेडमी कहते हैं, उनका भी यही विश है कि आप लोग एक बार इंटरनेशनल साइंस फेयर कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करें यहाँ से इंशाल्लाह. Thank you very much.
To stand here on behalf of Greenwich Academy and honored to be a part of students' activity presenting education fair for 2024 and 25. I'm thankful for today's chief guest, Ms. Tazeen Siddiqui, Mr. Azizur Rahman sir, though he has little health issue today, still he valued because it's a point of students' hard work. Sir is one of the foundation for Urdu community and a strong pillar for a young youth. I knew Sir from last 20 years, could not meet him on and off because to meet Sir, we would have to take 15 days prior appointment. So I'm really thankful that I could call him to our school. And as I said you, though carrying his health issue, but his purpose of life is always encouraging students. And when the word student comes, Sir doesn't compromise. So I love that spirit. I admire Sir. Count as one of the admirable person in my list of life where I have learned personally when I was doing my graduation. So I went on behalf of the girls unit to discuss and argue about NCC to Sir to make it yes in Anwalum College. So I would now Sir recall me because I was the mentor there representing 7A Andhra Battalion, behalf of Girls Unit Secunderabad, was trying to please Sir to give an entry for girls in Anwalum. So I remember Ms. Kamal Latina Khao, Madam, she was one of the big support for me, where we had done a lot of work and now even the unit is running, alhamdulillah. So, for my children, I can only have 2 lines. Last 8 days, you were giving your energy, thoughts processing was high on me. Teachers were motivating, parents were helping you out on and off. Sahil को सुकून से किसे इनकार है लेकिन साहिल के सुकून से किसे इनकार है लेकिन तूफान से लड़ने में मजा ही कुछ और. So I believe in fight. I believe in strong identity of a student. I believe in your spirit. I believe in dreams. I believe in achievements. So all the best for you all, my dear children. Very shortly after felicitation, I request all the students to please be in your locations with your mentors so that we visit each of the your project and we learn from you. Today we will learn from you.
By using a bat and ball. The match is between 2 teams having 11 players each. It's a popular sport in numerous countries, particularly in a Commonwealth. The idea of the game is to score more than runs by hitting the ball and by running in between wickets. The idea of the game is to score more than runs than another team. My friend Saj is continuing.
Grade 8th beta. The fielding team tries to stop runs by catching the ball and getting the batsman out. The game is divided into innings. The team which makes more runs wins. The game needs a lot of skills, talents, and a lot of physical. The game is strategic. The game has 3 formats: Test, One-Day Internationals, and T20.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mubashir Khan, I am from 5th B. Today I am telling about chess. Chess is an international game and made with fun. It has many rules and regulations. In chess there are 2 things, one chess board, one chess coins. Now my friend will continue.
I am from 5th B. Today I am going to tell about chess. Chess is an international game that invented around 200 BC by Commander Han Exin, who made the chess game as a battle simulator.
Castling moves the king to more safe and rook place. Pawn promotion. The main goal of the end game where pawn will promoted into bishop, knight or king, rook or queen. Checkmate. A move that leaves opponent with no option to avoid their king losing. Thank you.
to one and all present here. My name is Mirza Zohaib Ahmed Beg from grade 6 beta. Today, me and my friend Ubaid are going to be explaining some rules, regulations and the history of football. First off, football, known as soccer in the United States and Canada, was originated in England in the mid-19th century, though its roots go much further back in history. Ancient origins. Multiple forms of football, various forms of football have been played in many different cultures for centuries. The Chinese played a similar ball game called Kuju. Around 2000 years ago, the ancient Romans and Greeks played similar ball games. Modern football. The modern form of football took its shape in England in the 19th century. And the first official rules, known as the laws of the game, were written. The Football Association (FA) was founded in 1863. The establishment of the English Football League helped solidify football into a professional sport. Famous players. Pele scored over 1,000 career goals and won 3 FIFA World Cup trophies. Cristiano Ronaldo, a hectic goal scorer. He scored over 1,000 career goals and achieved success with top clubs like Manchester United, Real Madrid, Juventus and Al Nassr. Diego Maradona, known for his exceptional dribbling skills and hand of God goal. Diego Maradona led Argentina to victory in the 1986 World Cup. Now, my friend Ubaid
From grade 6 beta. Today I am telling about rules and regulation of football. Foul. Kicking, tripping, pushing or jumping on an opponent is considered a foul. Handball. Players except goalkeeper in the penalty area cannot intentionally touch the ball. Offside rule. Players are offside if they are closer to the opponent's goal and the second last defender when the ball is passed to them. Free kicks. Direct free kick and shot directly. Indirect free kick requires to touch another player before a shot. Substitutions. The teams are ordered to limited substitution 5 per a match.
The players can pick many formations, 4-2-1, like example 4-2-1 and 4-4-1. This is a D area. If you get fouled in the D area, the opponent will do a penalty. This is the goal post where you score goals. If the other ball comes behind the line, they have to do a throw in. And if the ball comes over here, then it will be a goal kick. Thank you.
My name is Awad Basbet and I am studying in 8th class. Today me and my friend is here to explain about volleyball game. Now my friend will say some points on volleyball.
Good morning, sir. My name is Salih bin Ahmed. I studied in 7th beta. Today we are going to show about volleyball. Volleyball was invented by William George and he was also known as the father of the volleyball. First time volleyball was played in India 1936. There are total players 12, 6 aside. They are separated from nets. Now my friend Awad Basubet will say some play positions and some type of service.
Basic service, upper arm service and jump and shoot service. And the positions of the players are left side hitter, this is called middle hitter and this is called setter. He sets the ball for these two will hit the ball. This is called left defender, right defender, this is called libero. And now my friend Saleh will say some few types of falls.
If any person take two passes is called as falls, and if the ball touches to the net is called as falls. Thank you.
आज का दिन बड़ा ही एक्टिव बहुत अच्छा रहा. मैं डॉक्टर अजीजुर रहमान खान, प्रेसिडेंट तेलंगाना साइंस फेयर एकेडमी से आज ग्रीनविच एकेडमी को आया था स्कूल को. और ये जो हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है तेलंगाना साइंस फेयर एकेडमी, ये क्या है कि हम बच्चों में साइंटिफिक रुझान बढ़ाते हैं, साइंटिफिक टेम्परमेंट. स्कूल लेवल से, स्कूल 4th क्लास से 10th इंटरमीडिएट डिग्री के बच्चे भी इसमें इंक्लूडेड है, शामिल है. तो इसका मेन मकसद क्या है, क्योंकि हमारा हिंदुस्तान में नोबेल लॉरेट्स नहीं है इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद. सर C.V. रमन थे, उनके बाद कोई भी. तो इसीलिए हमारे जो चीफ मेंटर है
Grade 10 Noman.
जो अमेरिका में है, डॉक्टर ख्वाजा सिराज अजहर साहब, वो
Quickly come at reception.
32 ईयर्स से जो है इंडिया आते हैं, 32 ईयर्स। क्यों? साइंटिफिक टेम्परमेंट प्रमोट करने के लिए, बच्चों में साइंटिफिक रुझान बढ़ाने के लिए आते हैं। पूरे एंटायर इंडिया में घूमते हैं वो, एक जगह नहीं, तकरीबन स्टेट्स में, और तकरीबन जगह जो है साइंस फेयर अकाडमी बना चुके हैं वो। तो बहरहाल हमारा मेन मिशन क्या है कि इंडिया में, हमारे देश में साइंटिफिक यानी नोबेल लॉरेट्स को क्रिएट करना है। तो इसी तहत हम आज हमारे स्कूल को आए हैं, ग्रीनविच स्कूल को, ग्रीनविच एकेडमी को आए हैं, जिसके प्रिंसिपल अजहर सुल्ताना मैडम है। माशाल्लाह बहुत ही एक्टिव है, और यहाँ के बच्चे देखो इतना काम करते हैं, क्योंकि सिंपल चीज़ को यानी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीज़ को सिंपल वर्ड्स में बताएं ये लोग। आज के साइंस का एजुकेशन फेयर जो रहा उसमें बड़ा अच्छा ही बना है, बड़े क्रिएटिव चीज़ हमने देखा उनको, और उनको थोड़ा प्रमोट भी करें साइंटिफिक फेयर के बारे में हम लोग। तो बहरहाल मैं मुबारकबाद देता हूँ हमारे यहाँ के प्रिंसिपल और हमारे टीचर्स यहाँ के, क्योंकि टीचर का रोल बहुत ज़्यादा होता है। टीचर नेशन बिल्डिंग करता है, तो टीचर का बहुत रोल है। टीचर रहने से ही हम लोग हैं, बगैर टीचर के हम नहीं हैं, स्टूडेंट भी नहीं हैं। बहरहाल बहुत अच्छा लगा, बच्चे बहुत अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट बताए, और मैं फिर एक बार मुबारकबाद देता हूँ स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट को, प्रिंसिपल मैडम को और स्टाफ मेंबर्स, जो बच्चों को लगातार पता नहीं कितने दिन से ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं। तो बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन रहा, वेरी 8 डेज से कर रहे हैं बोल रहे, मैं समझा बहुत दिन से कर रहे हैं मुझे। बहरहाल तकरीबन 4 फ्लोर्स में इनके साइंटिफिक प्रेजेंटेशन रहे। थैंक यू। हर एक को मैं इंस्पायर कर रहा हूँ कि हम खाली क्लास के हद तक नहीं, बल्कि क्लास के अलावा भी, क्लास को हट के भी इंसानों की खिदमत के लिए साइंस फेयर्स वगैरह करें, ताकि दुनिया में जो परेशानियां हैं, इंडिया में जो परेशानियां हैं, बीमारियां हैं, मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें हैं, क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन, फसल की कमी है, पानी की कमी है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें, बीमारियां, बड़े बड़े ख़तरनाक बीमारियां हैं, ये दूर करने के लिए साइंटिस्ट ही कुछ मदद कर सकते हैं। तो ऐसे इस तरह के साइंस फेयर हर जगह, हर स्कूल में, क्लास रूम के अलावा भी करते रहें। थैंक यू।
वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, एंड बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अजहर सुल्ताना मैम का फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी। मैं बेहद खुश हूँ, क्योंकि ये जब आप बच्चों में क्रिएटिविटी देखते हैं, बच्चों में एक इनोवेशन का जज्बा देखते हैं, यही कामयाबी होती है एक अच्छी लीडर की और टीम की। तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई यहाँ आके कि दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फेयर्स आई विटनेस्ड, एंड ग्रेट वर्क बाय स्टूडेंट्स। मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ रजिया मैम का कि जो उन्होंने इतना अमेजिंग पूरा फेयर पुट अप किया, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट।
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. I am Azra Sultana, principal of Greenwich Academy School, which is located in Chandranguda, Badlaguda side, just opposite to ISL Engineering College. MashaAllah, today's program was educational fair. Alhamdulillah, it took me 4 hours for us to cover all the departments. We have worked on every subject, and students' outcome has come so marvelous way. And I must appreciate my school staff, those who have worked from last 8 days. Thank you for parent support who has encouraged students. And of course, I shouldn't miss here saying that my students had done wonderful today. Their confidence, their energy and the creativity in very, complicated projects they brought in as simple steps. I'm so happy for it. I should not miss saying the chief guest, Mr. Azizur Rahman, who has given time for us today, and Mrs. Hazeen Siddiqui, who was as a guest of honor for us. I'm thankful for their time. They accompanied me for 4 hours helplessly, without any break. Alhamdulillah, I must appreciate Sir's age and his motivation and encouragement towards science and uplifting for Hyderabadis and students. And I was also an ex-student for Sir from the NCC department. I, was in touch with Sir from last 20 years when he was, a counselor and a director for an institution. I'm really thankful for all to make this program a success, and we are blessed. I am blessed being a part of this school. Thank you so much.